Before we've done a lot of different kind of fruit shakes, what about some vegetable shakes? So, carrot, beta carotene would have, super healthy. Basically cut on small pieces so it will be easy for blend. What about beetroot? Not taste that good, but in shake it's alright. And if it's not taste that good for you, you can, let's say, mix it with some fruits, like with a mango or maybe banana or whatever. But also you can use like a lot of other kind of ingredients, like other vegetables, greens, or you can make it a bit sour. So if you put like lime, lemon juice inside, it may taste much better. Or passion fruit. I think even better choice if you put a passion fruit in. Yeah, pumpkin. So we put like most healthiest ingredients. Also you can add like a raw potato. So if you eat it raw, I think it will be okay. Compare if you cooked it. Have a lot of starch. Raw potato almost not digest, but in shake give like quite interesting effect on your body, I mean. And yeah, we need to add some water, otherwise it will be not possible for mixed up. About a glass of water. And you can add like anything you want. I like to add some seeds. So maybe you need to put about 3 limes if you do like 500 milliliters, let's say. Otherwise it will be not sour enough and it will be not the same taste. So I took the seeds out already, otherwise it will be full of seeds. Lemon. In my opinion, like carrot, pumpkin and beetroot, it's some kind of vegetables what's really essential that make it like super healthy. But you can make experiment with different ones. Sometimes I make a tomato, carrot and beetroot and so on, and it tastes quite good as well. And also it's like a super quick to do it. Okay, let's check. Tastes good as also. It's alright. Can be a little bit more sour, but it's good.